Here we go. We've got something in our propeller giving us some serious vibrations. So we're watching our scuba diver friend do a 2.5 gainer off the dock into Taylor Creek with a 3-knot current running out to the ocean.
Don't put me on YouTube or...
So I guess you've noticed there's no scuba tank. He's got a scuba tank on a very long hose. I'll show you the scuba tank in a minute after he jumps in the water.
Trying to work with 60 pounds on your back at my age. You got a problem, weight build up, you're good to go.
Okay. Don't forget there's sharks, manatees, dolphin, stingrays.
I'm not in the mood for sharks today.
Okay. So I guess this is the half part of the gainer.
I gotta practice up before I go do that. My oldest son snapped 3 diving boards one summer. Whoa. He was worried about paying for them. I said, anyhow, gentlemen, I'll be up in a few.
Okay, we'll see you at the other end. Okay, the current's got him. He's floating downstream, down current.
Hey, so what do you think he's going to charge me for? They got an ATM up there?
Yeah, huh? They do. Here's his wagon with the scuba tank. It's probably a 50 or a 75-foot long yellow hose. And now he's going to go under the boat. Single engine, single propeller, and here he is right here. Hopefully he'll be back in a minute with some good news for us. You can hear the generator running. It's October in Florida. We actually have the heater running. So I don't know how long he'll be down there, so I'll go ahead and stop the film and I'll report later what he finds. If you want to learn more about scuba diving on your boat, getting ropes out of your propellers, ask Captain Kress.